Is that you running?
No.
Where are you running?
I was.
Hi, how are you?
Nice. Oh my god, it's Big Poppy.
This game gets easier when you have good guns.
When you have good with guns.
No, when you have good guns. I didn't say good with. Good with guns.
He did say that.
I didn't.
I'm right here, Sean.
You literally said that. Unless I was just framing so bad that.
My man Imp left a tech and a 9 at my crib. Turned himself in, he had to do a bid. A 1 to 3, he be home then.
In the 93. I'm ready to get in this raid, G. You with me?
Motherfucking right, my pockets looking kinda tight. And I'm stressed, yo, Biggie, let me get the vest. No need for that, just grab the fucking gap. The first pocket that's back, to take it to his back. Word is born, I'ma smoke him, yo, don't fake no move. What? Treat it like a fucking stick it, move, stick it.
Run!
Get your little ass back over here, boy.
Oh. Nope.
I just submitted for a second.
Yeah. Raiders. Done.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm dead. Person right in front of us.
Loser.
That's the good thing. They just come here and hang out. I thought I heard two, but it could be two scouts. There is two. You're lying.
You need to be worried about Bear. No one's left behind my ass. And sick and tired of all this running around.
Oh, I'm getting shot out. I'm getting shot out. Getting shot out. I'm dead, bro.
Dead? You upstairs?
Sick to my motherfucking tummy. Bitch must think I'm a motherfucking dummy.
All my shots. Got him.
Killed him. Killed everyone. Everyone's dead. Could be a 5-man. Be careful. Could be a 5-man.